Every product comes with a manufacturing date and an expiry date. And in between the manufacturing and expiry date is the valuable time for which it is meant to be used. Each one of us has come with a manufacturing date. It's on your birth certificate, guys. Your manufacturing date has come with you. And your expiry date has also come with you, like with a cough syrup or with a food product or with a makeup kit. Every product that is manufactured has a manufacturing and an expiry date. दोनों डेट लेकर आया है. Expiry date भी आया है और expire तो होना है एक दिन. We all know what our manufacturing date is. Expiry. our makeup kits पे लिख के आता है, हमारा लिख के आया है, लेकिन पता नहीं है. You know what's beautiful? In between is the amazing time you have. This time that you have. The clock is telling us, value your time between manufacturing and expiry. Once the product expires, nothing at all can be enjoyed or lived by you guys. In our got burnt. Jal gaya wo. You have no idea. No idea what it felt like. For a week, it was like hurting like hell. Straight, the hot nozzle was on my foot. ये मैन्युफैक्चरिंग और एक्सपायरी के बीच जला है ना, इसलिए लग रहा है, वरना मरने के बाद तो पूरा बॉडी जला है. Right now it's only a steam nozzle, but after death the whole body is burnt. After expiry the whole body is burnt, and you can't feel anything. इसलिए मैं कहता हूँ ना दोस्तों, जिंदगी है ना जनाब, तकलीफ तो होगी ही, वरना मरने के बाद ना जलने तक का एहसास नहीं होगा. You won't even experience a slight burn there. और इसीलिए ये जो वक्त है ना, between manufacturing and expiry, time now is the most valuable time.